So check this out, guys.
Okay, sure, but that caption is not giving me a lot of hope.
So they're saying that the moon is 238,000 miles away, and they're also saying that Mars is 199 million miles away.
Okay, I get it. This is kind of nitpicky, but I do not know why he chose those specific numbers. I mean, he's not wrong per se, but the closest is 33 million miles away, and the farthest is 250 million miles away. So, yeah.
And yet we have a Mars rover on Mars giving us videos and pictures.
I mean, yeah, obviously. How else would we get pictures of the surface?
But in case you forgot, Mars is also spinning around the sun like we are.
I mean, you gotta give him credit. He at least knows that we're not the center of the solar system.
Let me get this straight. We can get to this, which is 199 million miles away, but simply can't get back to this.
I hope you know that this point doesn't make any sense because we are literally returning to the moon very soon. I mean, come on, man. NASA's website is free. You can see what they're currently working on.
Which is only 0.2 million miles away. Oh, that's right. NASA and their astronauts.
And he's a moon landing denier. Can't say I didn't expect this, but still, really.
Saying that we can't get back to the moon because we lost the technology.
I don't think you did any research, like, at all. Because if you did, you have taken the 5 seconds to realize this. If you read it, I'm gonna move myself out of the camera. Like, literally, this is the second result on Google. Did you not do anything? Oh yeah, and may I add, there really hasn't really been a point to go back to the moon.
I'd go to the moon in a nanosecond. The problem is we don't have the technology to do that anymore.
Well, now you're just misinterpreting what he's saying. Once again, refer to the article.
Yeah, we can get to this. Let me remind you, which is 199 million miles away.
You hurt my brain.
But it just keeps getting worse and worse. They're also saying the moon is totally locked to the Earth, which we will never get to see the other side of the moon.
You do realize we've had orbiters take pictures of it, right?
It doesn't make sense because the theory of gravity they use. But let's just say what they're saying is true, that the moon is a dusty rock in outer space and you can physically land on it. And why can't we land a device on it and we can all watch Earth spin?
Okay, well, now you're either A, saying that you're a flat earther, or B, denying that the Earth spins. They're not mutually exclusive, but I don't know which one's worse.
Because I mean, it is the same face we see every single day and every single night. And they're saying that we will never get to see the other side of the moon. So it only makes sense that we could land something on it and we could all watch Earth spin.
Oh, here's the funny thing. We actually could do that. The real problem with that, though, is that first of all, NASA is severely underfunded, and second of all, that would be a waste of money.
But it's super crazy of them to say that we can get to this, which is 199 million miles away, that we have a Mars rover on Mars giving us videos and pictures, but simply can't get back to this.
Okay, well now you're just repeating yourself and not providing any evidence.
If you ask me, Mars might be a lot closer than we might think.
And now he's denying the existence of planets. I give up.